In this video, I'll show you how to change your password on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guidance and content like this. Head over to your Facebook account, right? Click on this. Once you've clicked on this, click on the settings and privacy. Click on the settings, right? Wait for the settings to load up. Okay, yeah, so the settings has opened up. So you're gonna click on this personal details right here. Once you click on it, you're gonna wait for it to load up as well. Okay, yeah, so this is the personal details tab, right? So you're gonna click on this password and security. You're gonna see everything here, right? So click on change password, and before you can be able to change your password, you're gonna select your account. Then you're gonna enter your previous password. This is my previous password. This is it, but I'm not gonna do it, right? Because this is basically a tutorial video. Enter your new password, retype it, right? You're gonna click on the change password. Everything is gonna change here automatically. So this is basically how you can change your password on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.